Power on.
It's really bright. If you switch on the light, this light is too bright.
Now, in order to remove this speaker, this Bluetooth speaker, so what you do, one hand grip onto the down rod firmly, another hand rotate clockwise. You see it comes off, just like a helmet. And then be careful, you need to remove this clip, a safety pin. So in order to remove it, one hand to hold onto this, and then you press it, and then you pull it out. Okay? That's how it looks like. 3 screws. I'm going to remove it. Screw it. Side. This is the capacitor we'll use. 2.2 microfarad, 600V, model number C61. Secure by this screw. Gone. All I need to do is pull it out gently, and then I'm going to remove the cable, the side on the left, and then one on the right. This is a tiny cable. Turn it around. You see this one? Just pull it out. It fits only one side, so I need to press to disengage it. This plastic is secured by 4 notches, so I need to press it, and then just press it in to remove it. This clip is a ring, okay? So I need to disengage the pin. It's a plastic, so I'm going to do it one at a time. That's how it looks like, right? I'm going to use a pencil. I would trace it onto this aluminum tape. Okay, I just need to cut it out. Cut it, and then we'll trim it along the line to prevent any light coming out. Light from escaping this diffuser. But before that, the trick is I must fold it into half. I'm going to try my best to fold it into half to fit into the glove later. Start from here, and then you push it using the tip of your pencil so that it goes into the glove. Pull. So it goes around the diffuser. You may use a finger. You do not want to break this plastic, so you could hold it gently. The stain from the marker pen. So to remove the stain from marker pen, what I use is 4D oil. Spray onto the cloth. Just wipe it, and it will be gone. So I'm going to just snap it back into position. Make sure you don't cover the sensor. This one here and here, it has a sensor. And snap it back into position, one at a time. Installation. Remember to first connect the wire. Hold on to the down rod up here, and then counterclockwise, firmly. Test if the fan is dark enough by switching on. I need to press on to this button, Bluetooth speaker. Next, go to setting, choose Bluetooth, and then look for Vannus. This is the Bluetooth speaker ceiling fan. Wait for it to be connected.
Pairing completed.
To set up the timer, so that I want this song to stop playing from the ceiling Bluetooth speaker after a certain period of time. So go to clock, and underneath here there are actually 5 tabs, and choose timer. And then when timer ends, you click, you scroll down towards the end, stop playing, and set. Choose set up here. And for this demonstration purpose, I set it to maybe 10 seconds. You may set it a few hours down to a few minutes. It's up to your choice. So when this timer stops, I want the song to be stop playing. So I press start. and then I head over to my iTunes and play music from band sound. If this is the first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button 2 times so that you get notified of a new video, and I appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!